Number 8 in your class trick for area of rectangles, we want to find the perimeter of Utah in miles. So here we have a figure of Utah. So we're going to add up all the side segments in order to get the total perimeter. So we have that the perimeter is equal to 3.71. So that's the length of this first one, which goes from 0 all the way to the y value of this coordinate. So this side is 3.71. This side length goes from x equals 0 to the x-coordinate of this point, so that's a length of 1.64. This segment is the difference in y between this point and this point, so that's 3.71 minus 3, which is 0.71. This side is the change in x between this coordinate and this coordinate, so we have 2.89 minus 1.64, which is 1.25. Now this side length is the change in y between 0 and the y coordinate here, which is just 3. And finally, the bottom segment is change in x from 0 to this coordinate, so that's 2.89. So adding up all the sides, we have 3.71 plus 1.64 plus 0.71 plus 1.25 plus 3 plus 2.89 gives us a grand total of 13.2 miles as our perimeter. Now for part B, if we want to find the population density, then our population density given by rho is going to be total amount of people living in Utah, so that's 2,763,885 divided by our area. In order to find our area is going to be the area of the large rectangle that we can make out of the longest side measures. So that'll be an area of 3.71 times 2.89, which will give us 10.7219. And we want to subtract this little area here in order to get the area of the shaded region in blue. So subtracting that little portion in green, that's given by side length of 0.71 times 1.25, which is 0.8875. So our area of Utah will be 9.834. Let's round it to the thousandth. And so if we plug this in for our area, then our population density will come out to be 2,763,885 divided by 9.834, giving us population density of 281,050, rounding to the nearest integer. Let's go 4 people per, this is in miles, hundreds of miles, so this is 100 miles squared.